John Deere introduces BoomTrac, an exclusive automatic boom, tilt and height control system. BoomTrac will be available for the 800 series premium trail sprayers equipped with greenstone. Two ultrasonic sensors mounted at each end of the boom measure the height of the boom wings above the target. If the slope of the field changes and the boom is not level to the ground or crop, the active boom control system will correct the boom tilt automatically to level the boom, and the controller will also adjust boom height if required. Now you'll probably think, yeah, we've seen similar things before on combines which did not really work well, or some other sprayer manufacturers offer similar auto boom level systems as well, so what's the difference? Well, BoomTrac is developed by John Deere and exclusively designed for John Deere spray booms. Unlike on competitive machines, where one and the same auto boom level controller from a supplier is used for all booms on the market, John Deere has matched the controller algorithm and the boom suspension design, taking into account our specific boom dynamics, and this makes all the difference. The controller will compare the height difference 50 times per second and transforms the measuring signals into frequencies. This enables the controller to adjust the boom tilt only at frequencies below natural frequencies of the boom suspension. Only in this way, active boom tilt control will support the passive boom suspension, which compensates for unevenness in the field, instead of interfering with it and causing instability like with the bolted-on solutions from competition. And since the BoomTrac measures 50 times per second the height and position of the boom, it can respond much faster and more stable to changing field conditions. Whether you work on flat or sloping fields, drive at low or high spraying speeds, spray on bare soil or in dense crop, BoomTrac does not have the compromises from the competitive machines. Now let's take a ride on the sprayer with BoomTrac. Once the operator has selected the nozzle for his spray application in the green star display, automatically the optimum spray height is set and controlled by BoomTrac. As you can see, the same green star display that we already use to monitor the sprayer work with guidance like AutoTrac. Record data for documentation is also used to operate BoomTrac. You don't need 3 or 4 different displays and terminals in your cab to run a John Deere sprayer, and still it's more user-friendly than other controllers in the market. On the display you can see the actual boom height above the target. Especially when working on sloping fields, the advantages are huge. You don't have to continuously monitor and adjust the boom anymore, since it's all done by BoomTrac. You will have more time to monitor the sprayer and your crop. You will experience that even when making a fast headland turn, the boom will not drive any more into the crop. The boom does not need to be raised any longer for making the headland turns and readjusted after the turn has been made. It just remains level. However, there might be situations at the headland which differ from the field in the field. For example, when there are obstacles or when there is no crop at the headland. Here BoomTrac demonstrates that it's an intelligent solution. You can choose between 4 different headland management adjustments to match your local field conditions. As soon as the master valve is switched off at the headland, BoomTrac can automatically switch to the following modes. The system can remain fully active at the headland for the headland with a full crop. The system can raise the boom to a certain height and stop to spray over obstacles. The system can raise the boom to a certain height and remain active. And the system can be switched off automatically at the headland if there is no crop present at the headland. As soon as the master valve is opened after the headland turn, BoomTrac will readjust the boom to its target height. And last but not least, spraying with BoomTrac is intuitive. If for whatever reason you adjust boom tilt or height manually when spraying with BoomTrac, for example with a lodged crop at one side of the boom, the system automatically switches to manual mode, like cruise control on your car. After you have passed this exceptional part of the field, you can switch back to automatic mode. BoomTrac will ask you whether to return to the previous spray height to accept the current height as new target. It's that simple.